Welcome back to Agentic AI 101. This is episode 2, and today we're tackling 3 big myths about how independent AI agents really are. Myth number 1: AI agents are already thinking for themselves like humans do. That sounds impressive, but it's not true. Today's AI agents are actually following rules and patterns learned from training data. They're not sitting around pondering the universe. They excel at tasks humans describe in detail, but they can't truly understand context or make ethical judgment calls on their own. Myth number 2: autonomous AI means agents can do anything without human involvement. In reality, every AI agent operates within guardrails, predefined boundaries set by humans. Think of it this way: an agent might book your meetings automatically, but it can only book during hours you've allowed and won't override a do not disturb flag. Humans design the rules, the agent follows them. Myth number 3: AI agents either work perfectly or fail completely. The truth is messy. Most real-world agents work within a human-in-the-loop system. An AI might flag a suspicious transaction automatically, but a human analyst reviews it before your account gets blocked. That partnership, not full autonomy, is where AI agents add real value today. So what can agents actually do well right now? They're fantastic at repetitive digital tasks. Scheduling meetings, processing forms, sorting emails, monitoring websites for changes, and orchestrating multi-step workflows. These are narrow, well-defined jobs where the rules don't shift constantly. Here's a useful analogy: think of today's AI agents like smart factory robots on an assembly line. They can perform their assigned tasks very well, picking, sorting, assembling, without someone controlling them moment to moment. But they can only work on the assembly line, follow the rules they were programmed with, and need a human supervisor if something unexpected happens. They're not thinking independently, they're following an extremely detailed instruction manual. Where agents struggle is anywhere real-world complexity, creativity, or ethics come in. A scheduling agent won't understand why you need extra time for a sensitive conversation. A document processor can extract text from a form, but it can't judge whether the form itself is suspicious. An email filter can learn patterns, but it can't truly grasp sarcasm or cultural context the way humans can. The honest truth: today's AI agents are powerful tools for automating routine work, not independent thinkers. They're autonomous in the sense that they work without constant human prompting, but they're not autonomous in the sense of being self-directed or capable of true judgment. The real value is in the partnership: humans set the direction and constraints, agents handle the repetitive execution, and humans stay in the loop for decisions that matter. Understanding this gap between the hype and the reality helps you see where AI agents actually fit into real work today. Next time on Agentic AI 101, we'll look inside the brain of Agentic AI and show you exactly how agents work. See you then.